Employee Net Promoter Score is one of the most successful survey tools in recent times, with its quick and easy functionalities that an organization can make use of to measure employee loyalty. Typically, eNPS asks a primary question, for example, how likely are you to recommend your workplace to a friend? Based on the question type, eNPS allows the employees to rate their answers on a scale of 0 to 5. Instead of going for a definite yes or no, it allows us to get a definite result instead of only positive or negative. The eNPS distribution displays the overall promoters, detractors, and passive scores of the survey. Vantage Pulse is a powerful assessment tool that helps HR to collect, measure, and act on real-time employee feedback. It helps you overcome the gap between action and feedback with real-time insights, and you get the right data from your workforce exactly when you need it. Unlike the existing annual surveys, Vantage Pulse keeps track of engagement levels through the use of eNPS in real time. In this video, we will provide you the insights into Vantage Pulse real-time dashboard. Along the left sidebar, you can hover and click on Configuration, then Create Survey to initiate creating the survey for your employees. Set the duration to a month, or quarterly, or for an year, and then you set the date from when you want your survey to start. The checkbox automates the same survey to start again after your current survey ends. You are flexible to set the frequency of your survey by selecting either of this, so that your employees get different set of questions every day or every week. However, having answered all of them by the end of this survey, you can select the group of employees who you want to attend this survey and proceed to review it. After reviewing, you simply click on Create Survey to complete the process. You can also manage the created process to edit, modify the series of tasks involved in it, and make it more convenient as per your needs. After you have successfully configured the survey, your employees will receive a kickstart email on the date set by you, and they will be asked to attend the survey. On clicking the Start Survey button, your employees will be redirected to the survey page, which consists of the questions. Employees can rate the answers on a scale ranging from 1 to 5 and click on them as per their opinions for questions from various survey categories. They can add any comment if they wish to support their ratings for each answer, and all these would reflect in the real-time dashboard, keeping the user's anonymity intact. All the employees receive notification in web as well as in their mobile devices, making it super easy to complete attempting the survey anytime and anywhere. In this section, you would be able to look into the comments shared from employees. However, their identity would remain unrevealed. The anonymous comments are the feedbacks that let you identify what affects and motivates your employees in the work environment. You can start a conversation being anonymous while responding to a query to understand the obstacles that employees are facing in greater depth. Feedbacks can be filtered based on the survey categories. Along the left sidebar of the dashboard, you can find the Vantage Pulse. Click on the overview to gain an insight of the overall engagement score of the organization for all the survey categories. Also, the score is plotted over a period of time. Another highly useful parameter to measure engagement level is the eNPS score, displaying the percentage of promoters, detractors, and passive respondents separately. The lower section of the page is having the list of all survey categories, with indicators like engagement score, user participation from organization levels, and View Info button to gather more details correspondingly. To view info for any survey category, simply click on View Info button and see the engagement scores and the eNPS for entire participants responding to that survey category. The middle section has question report for that survey category to help you identify the engagement scores for these questions. You can view the overall engagement score for that survey category department-wise, giving you the real edge to improve the work culture instantly in departmental levels. Again, the View More button from User Engagement redirects you to a detailed section of analytics, which is simple to use, and categorize your inquiries, filtering them into the time period and also department-wise. In this section of Vantage Pulse dashboard, you can seamlessly see the engagement score of any department for any survey category. You can simply click on the cell of the column to gain a detailed analytics of the overall engagement scores for a required survey category corresponding to the required department. Now you can view this segment in various timelines like last month, last quarter, last year, and the all time, which shows the real-time segment. Coming over to this section, which shows you the engagement scores of employees undergoing various phases in their experience with the organization, constitutes a cycle. That is, the employee experience cycle. And it is divided among 4 phases: the onboarding phase for new recruits, initial development, ongoing development and retention, and separation. Click on a phase to gain an extensive analytics on survey categories attended by employees undergoing that specific phase from the organization. The question score section comprises of all the questions from every survey category with their corresponding scores, and it provides an explicit knowledge of the scores for each question with detailed analytics on clicking View Info. To improve your approach towards enhancing a healthy work culture, we provide you a compilation of resources having a library of hand-picked articles to support your stand in understanding the issues which holds back your productivity and help you correct them seamlessly.